Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire Bulb part number 53045222314. Frigidaire Bulb part number 53045222314 is a replacement light bulb for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a 40 watt, 120 volt, a 15 appliance bulb. This bulb is designed to fit into the refrigerator's interior light socket and provide illumination for the interior of the refrigerator. The bulb has a medium base and is approximately 2 inches in length. It is made of glass and should be handled with care to avoid breakage. This bulb should be replaced when it no longer provides adequate illumination or when it burns out. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement light bulb for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It is used to replace a burned out or broken light bulb in the refrigerator. It does not fix any other symptoms. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Locate the light bulb cover on the inside of the refrigerator. This is usually located near the top of the refrigerator, near the ceiling. 3. Remove the light bulb cover by gently pulling it away from the refrigerator wall. 4. Remove any old bulbs that may be in place and discard them properly. 5. Insert a new Frigidaire bulb part number 53045222314 into the socket and twist it to secure it in place. 6. Replace the light bulb cover and plug in your refrigerator to power it back on. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.